guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm so excited. I'm doing a fall DIY. I'm going to be making pumpkins. These are so easy, so inexpensive. I know you're going to love them. But before I show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project, I just wanted to remind everyone I do have merch now, and I have my the Magnolia Housewife t-shirts. I love them. They're very comfortable. They're true to size, they're unisex, and they come in dark heather gray, Tahiti blue, white like I'm wearing, light pink, or banana cream. And I love the ideas that you all gave me for my shirt. I took those ideas and this is what I came up with, and I love it. So I'll put the link to order the t-shirt in the description box below. They are $19.99. And like I said, they come in a large sizes since they're unisex. Okay, let's get into this DIY. I'm so excited. Okay, what you'll need for this project is you're gonna need 3 rolls of toilet paper. This is so easy. You can get your toilet paper anywhere, it doesn't matter. Then you're going to need whatever kind of large napkin that you want. I got these at Pier One. They're having a big sale, and this was, I don't know how much the original price was. I mean, I could do the math, but I'm not going to right now. But anyway, they were marked down to $2 and something, but I got them for $1 and something, okay? So I got this really pretty, to me it just screamed fall, this green and brown plaid, okay? I got that one. And then I picked this up. I thought this would make a beautiful pumpkin as well. And then this one. So whatever kind of material you want, you could even use burlap, okay? Then I went out into my yard and just picked up some sticks that had fallen like in little shapes and kind of cut them where I wanted them just to give myself some stems. Then my husband had some wire laying around the house, and all you have to do is just get you some wire if you want. You can totally skip this part and just twist it around, either a pencil depending on the strength of your wire or like something metal, and you make these little curly cues, okay? So let's get started. Like I said, I think this is going to be so much fun and so easy to do. Okay. So the first thing you do is you just unwrap your toilet paper. I mean, and this, like I said, you could, and you just unroll it quite a bit, and then you just start wrapping it back around kind of sideways and anyway, just to give it ribbing. Make it a little wider. I think I'm gonna do more, because you want it to be wider, and you kind of just turn it on its edge and wrap it loosely and give it these big ridges. I know it's probably hard to see. I hope you can see. And that's gonna definitely, and then when you get to the end, you just tuck this right in here, down in here like that. So easy, okay? Then you just get your napkin. I saw this on Pinterest, and I was like, because I wanted to make a pumpkin, but I didn't want to sew. I just didn't want to spend the time, and I'm not really that good of a sewer. I didn't want to sew at all. So this, and plus I can take this apart really easy and store it, okay? You put it in the center, then you start bringing this up and tucking it in, okay? And then you'll take this part, bring it in, up, and tuck it in. Bring it up as far as you want so it doesn't have like really big points. Tuck it down in. And it just sort of naturally pleats itself. Then bring this in and tuck this in, and you could even stop like this and just leave it like this, and you'd have a little stem, or you could use it for a leaf, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to do mine. I think I want this to be my front. I'm then going to take one of these sticks. You could glue them, but I don't even think you're going to need to do that. I'm going to put that down in there, and then I'm going to take these little curly things and stick that down in there. You could make these, spray paint these curly things any size you want, I mean any color that you want. And like I said, you definitely could hot glue this in there. And here is our pumpkin. It's so easy. There's no sewing involved. It is adorable from all sides. I love it, okay? So we will do another one. All right, we'll get this one. And then when fall is over, you can just undo all this, and you still have your toilet paper. It's still as good as it ever was. And depending on, you know, how big and round you want it, then you just roll out more. Then, like I said, you take it and turn it on its side and just keep twisting it on there. And don't pull it, you know, too taut or anything. But you want those ridges. Then, like I said, then you just take it, tuck it down in there, open your next one up. The possibilities are actually endless with this. I mean, okay, and then pull this up, gather it, tuck it down in, pull this up, gather it, tuck it down in. It's so cute. And I love the fact that there's absolutely no sewing involved at all. And then here is this one. It is just adorable. I love it. Then you can take your stick, stick it right down in there. Like I said, this is optional if you want to put these little curly cues. And here is this one. You could match your decor if you wanted to get real shabby chic fabric. You could do that. You could, like I said, use the burlap. I mean, this, you could do a lot with this. You don't have to have plaid. You could get velvet and make your own velvet pumpkins. And like I said, you just twist it on its edge, and that's going to give it that really big center, like a pumpkin. And if your toilet paper tears, that's okay. You can just tuck it down in. Then we'll do this, will be our last one. But it's so fun, and it doesn't cost anything. Hardly at all. Then you pick this one up. And you can stuff it down in here with a pencil if you want. And I like it because you can have that little thing hanging out and it looks like a twig or a leaf or something. Then I'm going to put this one right here. Like I said, these little curly cues out of the wire are totally optional. You can do whatever. You can make one tall, one small. Okay, here is this one. It is so darling. Look at that. If you would see these out, you'd pay a lot of money for these. You really would. but you had the fun of making them and they didn't cost you anything. And then here's your little stem, your leaf. I just think they're adorable. I love them. And then here's this one. You could even turn these into apples if you wanted to. The possibilities are endless. And like I said, depending on how much you wrap the toilet paper is how actually round through the middle they'll get. But I think these are adorable. So I'll let you see them here together. They're just so cute. So don't forget to check out the description box below for my Magnolia Housewife t-shirt and order yours today. I know you'll love them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.